5. Nevada. Tax deed auction. Some are online, some are in person. Clark County had it this year in person. Clark County is what? Las Vegas. Yeah. Okay. So some of them are in person. Smaller counties are going to be in person. Okay. Usually 3 years you're delinquent, and then the state will have a tax sale, tax deed auction in Nevada. All right? Some cities, you can buy a lien, but you're gonna buy the municipal lien. You can get an interest rate. You're not buying it for property taxes, you're buying it for like assessments in Nevada. But the majority of all the counties basically do the tax deeds. All right? Some in person, some online. Okay? Okay, state of Washington. We'll go that one, then whatever one you want to pick after that. State of Washington is a tax deed still, okay?